Okay, YouTube, today I figured I would show you our fleet of snowmobiles. So here's an Arctic Cat, Powder Special 580. Runs pretty good for the most part. When it's not running on one cylinder, it's only running on one cylinder. We cleaned the carburetors on it, but still seems to have problems. So we gotta look into it some more. But it runs. It's in pretty good shape, really. Then we have the 93 Arctic Cat 550 electronic fuel injection. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Runs good. That's my sled. That's what I ride. It's comfortable. It's the perfect heights and everything for me, so that works out. Then we have another 580, I think. I think it's a 580. Anyways, it's an EXT Powder Special. This one I just cleaned both carbs on, and it's running pretty good. Yeah, I think this one is 95. I'll look. Yeah, it's 95, tandem 94, so 95. So, then we have a Yamaha. I'm not sure which size this one is, but it's electric start, and it has reverse. This one is kind of nice to run sometimes. Don't have to pull start it, and don't have to reverse. And then we have a Polaris Indy 500. She runs pretty good too. Let me see if I can find the year. Not seeing one. Anyway, this one runs too. Then we have an older Polaris. It runs too. We have to get a rope on this one to start it because the pull starting mechanism is getting rebuilt. And so this one's kind of just a spare, I guess. So anyways, there's our fleet of snowmobiles. We also have two other ones in the fields that don't really run good enough. And then we have a Skidoo in the shop that blew its clutch the other day, so it's out of commission. Anyways, there they are. We have 6 of them that are running pretty good, so that's a fair, decent amount